Good morning, Professor. I have completed the um, literature review for DSL project, and this is the presentation. And so, this is an introduction. So, my topic is to convert JSON, given JSON, to XML format. So, basically, DSL is a domain-specific language which is designed for a particular domain. It is a language which is designed for a particular domain, not for um, not like general purpose programming language. So, mm, so the examples are typically the regular expressions as we use for everyday function, and CSS, SQL, and many more. And because the why I choose the topic is because JSON and XML are considered for data exchange in the computer system, and both formats are interchangeably used, and so there is a need of conversion from both the ends. So um, I thought this would help um, to understand both formats better, and also DSL. So, so up to the stage, and I have understood the DSL and JSON format and XML format, and the basic steps which requires to convert JSON to XML through DSL is uh, so we need to understand the JSON format, and we need to define the lexical grammar, which will produce a set of it will convert that to set of tokens and identifiers, and it will provide to parser. And parser is, again, if we understand JSON better, and we can define the grammar for that. And JSON uh, which itself is giving the input for defining the grammar. And mm, and so once we give into the lex and yoke, and we will be getting the proper executable, and with that we can provide a JSON input, and we need to build a logic to uh, parse the JSON and construct an XML uh, from the past output of the JSON. So this is the basic um, steps which involve to build the application. And this is the JSON format which is available in this website from json.org, and they clearly provided the information, like so how the object will look like. So it will start with the open curly braces and close curly braces, and what are the types it accepts, whether it's an object, array, string, it can be number, boolean, and null. And how array will look like, it will start with a square bracket, and how the elements, and basically JSON will have a name and value pair, and that is depicted like this. And string starts with double quotes. Number, this is the um, format for number. So this, with these input, we can define the grammar for JSON, and we can I can start working on that. And these are the building tools which um, I, I will be working with Visual Studio IDE with C Sharp language, and it needs .NET environment, and Java runtime is to install this Antler 4, which is a DSL tool available, which helps to convert our grammar to a language, executable language. And this is a simple example how the JSON will be converted to XML format. And this is a conclusion. So through this, uh, I have got some understanding on and DSL and its use and how to use it on Windows, and how JSON format looks like, and I understood the grammar and XML format. So with that, I'll be I can continue working on the project, and I hope I can deliver it on time with great quality. And this is the literature review document I'll be submitting right now. Um, Thank you, Professor.